Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add chart in your sales dashboard. So what I will do is I will log into developer edition of Salesforce and then click on app launcher. That should open a pop-up window where I can click on this sales. So I want to get into sales side of dashboard, and here as you can see I logged into sales interface. Click on dashboard. Now here you can see I already have one leads dashboard, so let's go ahead and create new by clicking on new dashboard. So this should load an interface where I get to name the dashboard. So my lead sales dashboard. Description can copy the same. Then currently only private is the good option for me, so select that folder, click on create. Okay, now you will be presented with this grid where you can see you can add components. Okay, now currently you have options like adding reports to your dashboard. So let's see if I would choose this lead source group, select, and after that you can choose to display a different type of charts. So you can add this bar chart, donut chart, table, and then you have line charts like this. Line chart. Okay, then you have your vertical stack bar chart and also gauge chart. Okay, and there is also metric chart. Okay, so you can pick which chart is useful for you. Let's see donut chart, and you can adjust the display units, recorded values, okay, and add other details. Okay, after that simply click on add. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to save your dashboard. Okay, and then click on done, and your dashboard will be available in preview mode. So you get the idea how to add chart in your sales dashboard.